two. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2.
Hi, and welcome to Synthesis 101. In this video, we're gonna take a look at LFOs. An LFO is an oscillator that generates a waveform at a very low frequency, below the range of human hearing. This is why it's called a low frequency oscillator. The LFO is not part of the audio path, but is only used to modulate or control other elements of the synth. The controls are very similar to an oscillator. With this switch, we can select the waveform. This switch determines if the LFO is off, continuously running, or starts when we press a key. Here we can adjust the frequency of the LFO, but because it's so low, we refer to it as the rate the LFO is playing. With the intensity knob, we can adjust the amplitude of the LFO. This will determine how far or deep the parameter will be modulated. And lastly, we can select what our LFO will modulate. For example, we can modulate the pitch of the oscillator. This is also called a vibrato effect. We can also modulate the shape of the waveform. Or we can modulate the filter's cutoff frequency to give a little bit more life to our synthesizer. This is also called a wobble effect. Now you have learned the basics of LFOs. Thanks for watching this introduction to synthesis. Consider subscribing for more content about music production.